Well, hello. Okay, that was a really bad impression of Julia Child. I apologize. I just wanted to get on here and introduce myself. I'm Pam Smith with a Twisted Fork, and today I am making something that goes over really well at parties, and I don't usually share this, so this is a video you definitely want to watch and share and keep. This is a crab artichoke dip. I've made it many times for parties, weddings, and I can say the only time I had any left over was a party where half the guests didn't show up, and we didn't have much left then either. But this is a great dip, and you don't have to go crazy on the cost. Anyway, right now I am melting 4 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces of creme fraiche. And if you don't know what creme fraiche is, you need to get to know creme fraiche. It is an amazing, rich tasting, sour cream-like product, and it just makes everything taste better. I always have it in my refrigerator. So once we get this hot and a little bubbly, it's getting to that point now. I have combined, and I'm not doing it in front of you because, of course, for lack of time here, I have combined 1/3 cup of Parmesan, grated Parmesan, which I always add more because more cheese is better. 9 ounces of artichoke hearts, and you can use canned, you can use jarred. I prefer to get the grilled artichoke hearts. I think they give it a better flavor. There's a little smokiness to it, which always goes over well. Anyway, so Parmesan, artichoke hearts, got 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I add in wine, not very much, about 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of Worcester, and pulse it in your food processor. If you don't have a food processor, just mix it in a bowl. Just chop your artichoke hearts up. You don't want them pulverized, but you also don't want them really big, just bite-sized, so it beats in with the crab. I also have a pound of crab meat here, of course, because it's artichoke crab meat dip. And you can buy pasteurized, you can buy it in like the aisle where you get your tuna fish and stuff. You can buy back fin, you can buy really whatever crab meat you want. I say go for the gusto. I say get the lump crab, jumbo lump, because that is so much better. I always buy the best when I can. I mean, here at the Twisted Fork, we pride ourselves on having the best quality for the money available. And if I have to splurge myself, I will. But we always want to give you the best food, and you taste it. I mean, it's obvious. So right now I'm going to add the artichoke mixture into this bubbling creaminess here, and then I'm going to add in the crab meat. Let's get this mixed up first. I need to become the next Julia Child because I idolize her. This is how I got started in the whole thing. You ever see that movie, Julie and Julia, however it goes? Anyway, that prompted me to write a blog, which turned into this. Never thinking I could do anything like this, but here I am. I'm doing it. So, get this all mixed up, and we take the crab meat and add that in. It'll break up a little bit when you stir it, but that's okay. That's okay. This really is for this recipe will probably feed 4 to 6 people because you want to eat a lot. I serve it with bread, crostini, not really toasted, just lightly toasted, crackers, whatever you want to serve with it. Comes out really good. And then once you get all this done, now you can stop now if you want, put it in the fridge right before your party. Then you can put this whole pan in the oven and serve it this way. Just make sure you put a towel around the handle so you don't burn yourself. And because I have done that before. Or you can put it in a pretty bowl that will go in the oven. But anyway, put it in the oven under broil just until it's bubbly and bring it out. And your guests won't talk to you for a while. They'll be too busy shoving this in their face. So we're gonna stop right now because this is gonna be for a party later on. And I'm gonna put it in the broiler, but I will post a picture on my Facebook page so you can see what it looks like, the finished product. And I will also post the recipe for those of you that want it. You'll thank me later. But we'll put it out there so you have it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed doing this for you, and I hope to see you again on July 17th through 19th when we do the summer social, and I'll be one of your frienders that are there speaking on behalf of the brides and grooms that are planning their wedding. So anyway, we'll see you there. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.